How to fix TikTok banned account. Your account got banned on TikTok. Here's how you might recover it step by step. First, open TikTok and log into your account. You'll likely see a message saying your account is banned. Tap on Appeal or go to Report a problem in the support menu. Choose Account and log in, then tap on Banned Account and tap Submit and Appeal. Explain why the ban may have been a mistake and include your username and email. Be respectful and provide any relevant screenshots. If you can't access your account, visit the TikTok feedback form through a browser and file an appeal there. You can also reach out to their official email legal@tiktok.com or info@tiktok.com. Always review TikTok's community guidelines before appealing to understand what may have triggered the ban. Ever had your account recovered successfully? Share your stories in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.